Welcome to today's home tour. My name is Jake Audjeri with the DeWitt's team at Hague Partners, and I'm so excited to show you this incredible home. Located in the highly sought-after development of Eastmark, this incredible home on a corner lot has been meticulously designed and put together to create a beautiful space that you can call home. Complete with a huge chef's kitchen, large great room with floor-to-ceiling windows that look out on a perfectly manicured back lawn, each room was put together with intentionality and an attention to detail. The primary suite is every homeowner's dream with a fully updated bathroom, huge walk-in shower, and a closet you wouldn't believe. From beginning to end, this house was put together with the heart of creating a space you can thrive in and new memories can be made. We hope you love it.